scallion. Yes, I'm gonna add scallion. Next, very, very important ingredient. Here comes the corned beef. Yes, I know you have never seen anything like this. Only on the Winston GeL cooking and scrubbing. So that's the corned beef. That is the corned beef. Right, I'm gonna put my Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper. This is more like a red pepper. Those red peppers, they're beautiful. Yes, and they're hot. Beautifully hot with flavors. The red peppers. Yes, give it the zing. Spice up the flavor. Makes it taste delicious. Yes, and the pepper is good for you to clean out your system, purge you out. Alright, let's save the rest of the pepper. Alright. So that is the corned beef. That is the corned beef. Now, here comes the rice. I washed the rice already. Alright. Washed the rice already. You can see it's gotten hard because it's washed. Alright, my friends. So, there it is. Now I'm going to add some liquid into it and turn the fire very low. So that is my stir-fry corned beef. Yes, my stir-fry corned beef. Well seasoned down. Alright, so now I'm going to put some liquid in here. Put some beef stock. Some chicken stock in here. Yes, chicken stock. You're watching Winston GeL. Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube. Some liquid so the water can cover. Alright, so that is chicken stock. It's flavored. Yes, it's flavored chicken stock. Even though I'm cooking corned beef, I'm using some chicken spice just to spice it up, give it some extra flavors to make it taste wonderful. Yes, delightfully wonderful. Alright, so now I'm going to top it off with some garlic powder. Yes, some garlic powder. Yes, some garlic powder. Last, I'm going to top it off with some onion powder. Yes. Stir it up. Stir it up and then cover it up and turn the fire very low. Leave it. And when I come back, it should be cooked nice and dry and chilly. If it's not nice and dry and chilly, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna eat it. Alright, so I'm gonna cover it. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. So this is my stir-fried corned beef. Alright my friends, this is my stir-fried corned beef. Yes, corned beef and rice. Cooked together, seasoned down. Yes. Two tins of corned beef, lots of bell peppers, onions, scallion, tomatoes, garlic, yes. So yes, that's the first time you're seeing this. Yes. Stir-fry corned beef and rice. Stir-fry seasoned corned beef and rice. You're watching Winston GeL. I'll give it 7 minutes and then I turn it off. It is ready. Alright my friends, you're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, this is my stir-fry corned beef and rice. Yes, stir-fry seasoned corned beef and rice. There we go. Stir-fry seasoned corned beef and rice. You see this kind of Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, so she is ready. Yes, she is cooked and she's ready to go. And that's it. That's what they call one pot in Jamaica. They call it one pot because you put everything together, the seasoning, the meat product, everything together. And in this dish here, I have 2 cans of low sodium Grace corned beef and lots of red peppers, tomatoes, garlic, scallion, onion, curry powder, black pepper, hot pepper. Yes, everything fused together to make this awesome stir-fry corned beef and rice. Here we go, and you'll see this on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Thank you, my friends. I'm going to share 2 vessels, and you'll get to see what it looks like. Alright, my friends, I'm going to share it. See the steam coming off it? Yes. Alright, you see how loose it is? Yes, very good. So now I'm going to share. Yeah, so this is my stir-fry corned beef and rice. That's it. You don't need any more meat kind. All the meat is in there. Pure beef. Corned beef. Yes, it's in it. Everything is cooked together. Olive oil. Yes. And corned beef. Alright. I'm going to share my plate. Yes, I'm going to share my plate. So, stir-fry corned beef and seasoned rice. That's it. Alright, my friends, so that's it. As simple as that. This is a common poor people's dish. It's common. Stir-fried corned beef, seasoned rice recipe dish. Alright, you guys see this on Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Thank you. See you on another cooking adventure. Alright, here you have it, my friends. That's my stir-fried